This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by importing your clips and the background you want to show through the keyed area. Once done, create a new project and set the aspect ratio. 16:9 is common. Drag the green screen clip onto an overlay or upper track and the background on the base layer. Now you've placed elements correctly. Make sure the green is consistent and well lit, because Kinemaster's key works best with even color and minimal shadows. Next, tap the overlay clip and enable chroma key. You'll sample the green or blue, and then adjust similarity to remove most of the background. Once that's close, tweak smoothness and edge feather to clean up jagged edges. These control how harshly pixels are removed. If hair or translucency still shows artifacts, combine subtle color smoothing with a carefully masked area. Keep checking playback to ensure motion doesn't reintroduce green spill. Finally, preview the composition at full frame rate and export with a high bitrate to preserve edge detail. If you see halo or green spill, reduce similarity slightly and use any spill suppression. If edges cut too much, increase feather a touch. Should you get flicker or color shifts, the fastest fix is reshooting with uniform lighting or applying a gentle color grade to match layers. If problems persist, reevaluate the original footage, lighting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.